What is up, everyone? Today, we are taking a massive look at what is undoubtedly the best gaming PC of 2026 if you want the absolute highest specs for the lowest possible price. If you have been searching for that perfect $1,000 sweet spot, you can stop looking right now. You simply cannot find a beautifully assembled gaming rig with this level of raw power anywhere else for this price. It is an incredible opportunity, and I have dropped the Amazon link right down in the description below, so you can grab it before it sells out. Let's talk about what makes the KOTIN Gaming PC D32B an absolute beast. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 9600X processor, boosting all the way up to a blazing 5.4 GHz. Whether you are grinding competitive matches, pushing maximum frame rates to saturate a 300 Hz monitor, or rendering high-quality video content, the CPU will not break a sweat. Paired with that is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 GB of VRAM. This combination is a powerhouse, giving you incredible visual fidelity, insanely responsive gameplay, and the absolute newest generation of graphics technology. But raw power is nothing without speed and stability. This system comes loaded with 16 GB of blazing fast DDR5 memory running at 6000 MHz, ensuring your system is perfectly responsive with zero bottlenecks. For storage, you are getting a massive 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which means your operating system, your heaviest games, and all your massive video files will load in the blink of an eye. What really sets this apart from other pre-builts is the attention to detail and build quality. This system is proudly and locally assembled right here in the United States. It is powered by a rock-solid 650-watt 80+ gold certified power supply, giving you incredible power efficiency and peace of mind for the long haul. You are also getting the absolute latest Wi-Fi 7 technology and Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so it is completely plug-and-play straight out of the box. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics because this PC looks just as good as it performs. It features a premium digital display air cooler, which not only keeps your CPU icy cold during intense gaming sessions, but also gives you sleek, real-time temperature readouts right on the block. The case is packed with 5 ARGB fans, offering complete RGB synchronization. The lighting is incredibly vibrant, entirely customizable, and gives your setup that perfect premium, professional esports aesthetic. To sum it all up, for around $1,000, the value here is simply unbeatable. High-speed DDR5, a 9000 series Ryzen processor, an RTX 50 series graphics card, and premium cooling, all professionally assembled in the USA. You are not going to find a better deal than this. This is the ultimate budget-friendly, high-performance gaming PC of 2026. Do not miss out on this absolute steal. Click the Amazon link in the description below to check out the current pricing and secure yours today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.